Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Gururam channel. Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about comparison of decimals. That is decimal numbers with equal decimal digits. First you see, compare the numbers 45.55 and 45.5. First we have to compare the whole number. Whole number is what here? 45. Here that is equal. Next compare to the 10th place. 10th place also 55, that is also equal. Next compare to the 100 part. Here 5 and that side 0. That is 45.50 and 45.55. So you compare the 100 0 less than 5. Okay, so 45.55 is greater. And note, zeros added to the right end of the decimal digit do not change the value of the decimal number. Compare the following decimal numbers and find out the smaller number. Here given sum 2.08 and 2.086. Always you compare first whole number part, that is equal, and 10th part also here equal, 100th part also equal. Next 1000th part. 1000th part here 2.08 means 2.080. So 0 and 6 you compare, that is 2.08 less than 2.086 because 0 less than 6. Therefore, the smallest number is 2.08. Next, 0.199, 1.9. Compare the whole number part, 0 less than 1. Therefore, directly you write it as smallest number is 0.99 because 0.99 less than 1.9. Clear? Next, 3.53, 3.35. Compare the whole number part, that is equal. 10th place 5 and 3. That is 10th place 3 less than 5. So 3.35 is smaller. Next, compare the decimal numbers and find out the smaller number. 5.05, 5.50. First comparing whole part. Whole numbers here equal. Next 10th part. 10th part 0 and 5. Compare to the both numbers 0 less than 5. Therefore 5.05 less than 5.50. Therefore the smallest number is 5.05. Next sum 123.5 and 12.35. Compare the whole number part, we can get it 12 less than 123. Therefore 12.35 less than 123.5. Therefore smallest number is 12.35. Compare the following decimal numbers and find the greater number. First 24.5, 20.32. We have to compare both numbers and find the greatest number. That is the question. So first compare the whole number part, 24 and 20. 24 is greater. Therefore 24.5 greater 20.32. Therefore greatest number is 24.5. Next 6.95, 6.59. Here whole number part, that is equal. 10th place 9 greater than 5. Therefore 6.95 greater than 6.59. Greater number is 6.95. Next 17.3, 17.8. First compare whole number part, 17, that is equal. 10th place 3 and 8. Here 8 is greater than 3. Therefore 17.8 greater than 17.3. Greatest number is 17.8. Next question. 235.42 and 235.48. 235 both equal. Whole number part equal. 10th place 4 and 4, that also equal. So compare to the 100th, 8 greater than 2. Therefore 235.48 greater than 235.42. Greatest number is 235.48. Understood? Next, compare the following decimal numbers and find the greater number. Here given 0.007, 0.07. So whole number part 00 equal. 10th place 00 equal. Compare. Next, comparing the digit at 100th place, you see 100th place here 0 and next number 7. That is 7 greater than 0. Therefore 0.07 greater than 0.007. Therefore greater number is 0.07. Clear? Next question. 4.571, 4.578. First compare the whole numbers. 4 and 4 equal. 10th place 5 and 5 equal. And 100th place 7 and 7 also equal. Next compare to the 1000 place. Here 8 is greater than 1. Therefore 4.578 greater than 4.571. Therefore greater number is 4.578. Arrange the following in ascending order. Given sum 2.35, 2.53, 5.32, 3.52, 3.25. First compare the whole number part. Here given 2, 5 and 3. So from that greater is 5. 5 greater than 3 greater than 2. Therefore the greatest number here 5.32. Next we are going to see the next number, whole number. So here 3.52 and 3.25. That is 5 is greater. So 5 greater than 2. Therefore 3.52 greater than 3.25. Next compare to the whole number part 2. So 2.35 and 2.53 whole number part is equal. So 10th place 3 and 5. So here 5 is greater. So 2.53 greater than 2.35. So here given question ascending order, small to big. Therefore the first number is 2.35 less than 2.53 less than 3.25, after less than 3.52 less than 5.32. Clear? Arrange the following in ascending order. 123.45, 123.54, 125.43, 125.34, 125.3. So before sum, we find out the greatest number, and lastly we find that smallest and write it in ascending order. Here first of all we find out the smallest number and do the further. So here 123 is the smallest number. So here whole number part is equal compared to the numbers. Next we see the 10th part. So here 4 less than 5. Therefore we can write it as 123.45 less than 123.54. Next go to that next whole number part. 125.43 and 125.34, 125.3. Here whole number part is equal. Compare to that 10th place 3 less than 4. Therefore 125.43 here greatest. Next compare to that whole number 125.34 and 125.3. Here 10th place is equal. So compare to the 100th place. Here 125.3 less than 125.34 because 30 less than 4. Therefore that ascending order is 123.45 less than 123.54 and less than 125.3, less than 125.34, less than 125.43. Understood, students? Arrange the given decimal numbers in descending order, big to small. So 17.35, 71.53, 51.73, 73.51, 37.51. First you compare the whole number part. Which one is greater? 73 first, second 71 and 51, after 37 and 70. So you directly write it as descending order: 73.51, 71.53, 51.73, 37.51, 17.35. So no need to check decimal part. Here whole numbers parts are different. Next question. 456.73, 546.37 and 563.47, 745.63, 457.71. Here also compare to the whole number part, all different. So 745 greater, 563 greater, 546 greater, 457 greater, 456. So directly you can write it as descending order: 745.63, 563.47, 546.37, 457.71, 456.73. Choose the correct answer. Here 0.009 is equal to, that is not equal, 0.90 not come, here also not come. Here you see third option 0.00900, because right side of that 0 no value, so that third option is correct. Next question, 37.70 compare 37.7. So here also if we put 0 it will come equal. So first option is correct. Next one, 78.56 compare 78.57. Whole number part and 10th parts are equal, so 6 less than 7. So first option less than is the correct answer. We bought 8.36 kg of potato and Shaker bought 6.29 kg of potato. Which is heavier? So here given data 8.36 and 6.29. So compare that number 8.36 and 6.29. First you compare the whole number part, 8 greater than 6. Therefore 8.36 is greater than 6.29 is 29. Therefore 8.36 is heavier. Next question. Two automatic ice cream machines A and B designed to fill cups with 100 ml of ice cream were tested. 2 cups of ice creams, one from machine A and one from machine B, are weighed and found to be 99.56 ml from machine A and 99.65 ml from machine B. Can you say which machine gives more quantity of ice cream? So here given data 99.56 and 99.65, we have to compare the whole number part, that is equal. So comparing to the 10th digit, 5 less than 6, therefore 99.56 less than 99.65. Therefore which machine can give more quantity means machine B. Clear? Meghala and Mala bought 2 watermelons weighing 13.523 kg and 13.52 kg. Which is heavier? So given data 13.523 and 13.52, we have to compare. So first see the whole number part, that is equal, and 10th part 5 and 5 also equal, 100th place 2 and 2 also equal. Next we have to see the 1000th plus, here 3, here no means, that is 0. So 3 is greater than 0. Therefore, we can write it as 13.523 is greater than 13.520. Which is heavier? 13.523 kg of Meghala's having that watermelon only heavier.